Hello friends, welcome to the channel 59 Code. In previous video, we already seen that what is DeepSeek R1 AI model and how we can use it in our local system as well as online, same as like ChatGPT, and how that AI model difference from ChatGPT or Gemini. That all things we already discussed on that video. So link is given in description as well as in I button. You can simply click on that and go there, watch that video completely first and then come into this video. And in this video, with the help of DeepSeek R1 AI model, we are going to create a portfolio website with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to go on DeepSeek official website, that is chat.deepseek.com. Now, after came here, you simply have to write your prompts here and then you have to implement that code on online code editor as well as offline code editor for run that program, right? So I am going to give a prompt to DeepSeek AI with turn on think R1. It means it will explain that or try to write that is deeply. Deeply means more effective. So my prompt is create a portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JS, more of functional and all components should be work well. And one more thing that I wanna focus on beautiful design as well as its functionality. Right, this is my prompt. I will give you this prompt in description box. You can paste directly and use it, and after it click on go. Now it's time to give code with explanation. This is the one thing, with explanation it will give code of that particular prompt. I am going to open notepad for paste this to give you in description box. It will take a lot of time because I on deep think R1. If you don't turn on this, it will simply start giving you answers. So wait till it will generate the whole code. This will start giving my answer. And notice it, it will especially it will also focus on how folder structure should be, right? Here you can see it is totally a folder structure that it will suggest you to create. And here HTML file, HTML code is creating. So it will finish the code. After completion of code, we will run it. There are two methods through which I can run it, the whole program. And one is using online editor and second is using offline editor like VS Code or other editors. So I am going to use CodePen. Do you know what is CodePen? If you know, then comment below. CodePen, after go on CodePen, simply you need to click on first link. I am already signed in on this website. So I am able to see this type of interface. If you're not signed in, you would see a different interface. So I am going to create a new pane, and here you can see there are three box. First is of HTML, second is CSS and JavaScript. We have to copy HTML5. There is one more a basic thing in a DeepSeek that when you scroll till end, here copy option is available. So copy from here, go on test HTML and the CSS file, paste CSS, and then we have to paste JavaScript. For that, copy from here and paste here. And after it, we would be able to see right hand side that how our website are going to look. This is the basic structure of our website. Design would be more effective, right? And you have to click here, right? Now we need to change designs as well. So for that, we go on DeepSeek and give content prompt uh, on the two prompt I countered it, and let's see how it will take it and how it will produce output. So wait, it will add one more thing in hero section. Okay, we have to replace it. Where is hero section? We have to find header section, and it will also explain replace the existing hero section. Okay, it means here a hero section already available. Yeah, simply we have to find where is hero section. This is just replace with newly code, and here css replace in css file. For that you have to we have to find where is hero section. Yeah, hero, and yeah, I already replaced, and let's find that any JavaScript code is available or not. Optional add animation steps. Okay, we can add animation steps as well, and no any JavaScript code. Okay, this is the final look of my portfolio website. It's look quite good. There is one animation ball. We will take challenge to improve it, right? Now, and countered prompt is design about section more beautiful way, and let's see which one is, yeah, my projects, and also improve my projects part. Let's see, it will response the server is busy. Okay, no problem. Simply there is a solution of that. Click on pencil icon and send it again. After giving this prompt, design about section more beautiful way and also improve my projects part. It will give some improved code of HTML and CSS. Just simply click on copy from here and paste where it suggests, like update the about section in your index. Okay, in index.html, here search about section. This is about section. Select from here to here and paste. Okay, and css part update dot about style in, okay, copy, and in css file search where start about part. Yes, from here about section start. Select from here to here and paste updated code. And is there any JavaScript code here? And one more thing, that projects, copy this HTML code and paste in project section. Yes, from here. And CSS of this particular code is the dot projects. Okay, in CSS file search projects. From here we have to change latest CSS code. And now it is my final review. Is there any updated? This is my home interface, and this is about section. It's look pretty good. Here you have to insert a picture. Okay, and it's my skill and my project. This is my project. Here you have to insert three images and update it, and we can simply design header part as well. So give command for that. This is updated navigation bar code of HTML. Just copy from here, and let's see where we have to change, like navigation section. Okay, try to find navigation section here. This is header part and CSS for it as well. But where? Nav links, dot nav links. It will complete. And is there any JavaScript code? Yeah. Okay, copy from here and paste in JavaScript file. That's my final review that this is our new navigation bar. And it will look pretty good and animation as well here. So it is quite good than before. Design is going to be better according to your prompt. So let's try to redesign it from. I will give you this all code in description box or comment box. You simply copy that and give to DeepSeek AI model and train it, and after that simply redesign whole code with the help of DeepSeek. This is your task of today. So we will meet in next video with the new projects, new technology.
कोड करना सीखो YouTube पे देखो 59 कोड सोनू सागर के चैनल पे हर लैंग्वेज हर कॉन्सेप्ट हम सिखाते हैं कोडिंग के फंडे आसान तरीकों से समझाते हैं सब डिजाइन कर सकते हो बस थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए 59 कोड हम सबको सिखाते हैं हर तरह के कोडिंग हर एक कोड को समझाते हैं सोनू सागर सबका गुरु बन गए कोडिंग सीखना है उसका नाम आपको आए कम एंड जॉइन अस हम सब मिलके कोड करते हैं